Hello everyone. Today I come to the stadium and I consider I need to make some vlog to all of you. Actually today I'm really excited and you can consider at my place which is called Bihar State. Today I got little bit sunlight, so I got feel very warm I would say, and very I felt very pleased I would say. So today I just consider to come to the stadium for making some vlog to all of you. You know guys, if you if you speak publicly, so it will give you a different kinds of confidence level. Okay? And it will help you to develop your confidence level up to the mark. Okay. So I have only the purpose of making this blog to all of you because I just want to motivate to all of you. Okay, you can see, let me show you behind, so many you can see so many student and public are playing the different kinds of games, okay, crickets and etc, in order to just keep maintaining their physical health and getting in energetic feeling. Okay, so I just consider like this day would be a very sufficient and very pleasant for me today to make some blog to all of you. And what I did, you can also do. You can also do this. So guys, do not feel shy. Okay, you start speaking publicly. Really, it will really impact overall your personality. So I used to go with my friend, and my friend used to make a lot of blog like me publicly. They would be capturing a lot of moment through their camera and be speaking on camera on the street. So you can consider like it's not a piece of cake for anyone, right? So I have only intention of making such a vlog to all of you because I just want to aware all of you like you can also do this. Okay, and it will only possible when you have to change your mentality. Okay, because many of them have the habit of overthinking about any matters. Okay, so you have to change your this kinds of habit of overthinking. Okay, after removing this kinds of mentality of you are going to come on the right track, and that will be much convenient for you all to move ahead to the next life, to your next life, and you can perform tremendously you would never ever consider before. Because I only have the intention of making such a content to all of you because I knew and I know now like if I'm not making such a video to all of you, then who will motivate you? Being a villager, it's very difficult to speak English. Guys, it doesn't matter what city do you belong. I think you do not consider much more about taking any action towards any skill, towards any areas. Okay, it doesn't matter where do you stay and where are you walking. Just bring your phone, open your camera and start talking by recording yourself, and that would be the very effective manner of improving your communication up to the mark and developing your confidence level up to the mark very soon. Okay, it doesn't matter how expensively vocabulary do you utilize in your actual conversation, doesn't matter. You have to gain your fluency first in a normal conversations. Okay, it doesn't matter your expression are going to fix in a right way or not during conversation. It doesn't matter what you speak, it really matters a lot. Okay, because on the into the stadium I'm making such a blog, and many of students are playing there. You can see